In this video, we're going to teach you how to sync Google Fit with the Active Health app. To do that, you first need to head over to your Google Fit and then start downloading this app from your Google Play Store if you don't have it yet. Now register and then log into the Active Health app, then follow the steps. Click on the proceed link and then click on connect with Google Fit, click on yes, and then after that, proceed to choose your Google account, allow, and you should be able to see a success message. From there, you can complete 1,000 or 10,000 steps in a day to earn an active day with ActiveFit. So make sure to actually help and go over and then do this in order to sync your Google Fit Watch to your Active Health application. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, proceed to comment them down in the comment section below. We appreciate any engagement you give us. Thanks so much for watching.